Assalamu alaikum viewers. From behalf of your live team, I am here. Today's our topic is history of education in Spain. Education in Spain is regulated by the Ley Organicia 8 2013 de 9 de Diciembre para la mayoría de la calidad educativa, means Lomis Organic Law for the Improvement of Educational Quality, that expand upon Article 27 of the Spanish Constitution on 1978. The Spanish education system is compulsory and free for all children and between the 6 to 16 age, and is supported by the national government together with the governments of each of the country 17 autonomous communities. In Spain, elementary school, middle school are considered basic obligatory education. These are the primaria 16 to 12 year old, which is the Spanish equivalents of the elementary and primary school, and secundaria 12 to 16-year-olds, which would be a mixture of middle school and the first 2 years of high school in the United States, secondary school in England, and many older countries. Spain is working toward reforming vocational education and modernized education to halt and reverse the rising unemployment rates. Stages: Preschools education. Preschooler or education infantile and is encouraged by the children under the age of 6. There are two cycles of preschool, which are divided by the age of 0 to 3 years old and 3 to 6 year olds. The first cycle is often held in the daycare center or a preschools. Escuela infantile, collicula Gorderia, and the most of the time isn't free for the student, although some cities councils offer scholarship for their public preschool center with the limited places. The second cycle is free for all students enrolled in the public school that offer education in Venetia, and is often held in Centro de Education Infantil and Primaria Colegio. The second cycle of the preschool in these public schools focus in one emotional development, movement and control, bodies, habits, communication and languages, and positive body image. The documents required for the public registration include proof of the residence, passport or residence card, or a child birth certificate, and in some areas proof of the child vaccination and medical certificates of health. Primary education. Primaria or Educationia Primaria consists of 6 year structure or 3 cycles for first grade through the sixth grade. First cycle, first and second grade; second cycle, third and fourth grade; third cycle, fifth and sixth grade. Subjects: Spanish language and literature, mathematics, natural science, social science, physical education, foreign first languages, artist education, artist crafts and music; second, foreign languages, citizenship and human rights education, ethical values, religious, Catholic, Jewish, Muslim or Evangelic; regional languages, Catalan, Galician, Basque, Valencian, Aragonese, Occitan, Aranese and Asturian if so. Secondary education. Secondary or education secondary consists of 4 year structure as 2 cycles from the 7th to the 10th grade. First grade cycle, first and second year core academic year subjects plus basic social science. Second cycle, third to fourth year core academic subjects plus liberal studies plus optional course which relate to the specified ambition of the students. Subjects: first year of ESO 7th grade, second year of ESO, third year of ESO 9th grade, fourth year of ESO 10th grade. Biological and geological physics, chemistry, mathematics oriented to the academia teaching. Geography and history. Spanish language and literature as well as the co-official languages were applicable. Spanish language and literature as well as the co-official languages were applicable. Spanish languages and literature as well as the co-official languages were applicable. Spanish language and literature as well as co-official languages were applicable. First foreign languages, physical education, regional ethical values. Some elective courses at some schools are following: classical culture, initiation to entrepreneurial Activities: music, technological arts, second foreign languages. Some elective courses at some school are following classical culture, initiation, entrepreneurial activities, music, technology, arts, second foreign languages, selective objects courses, arts, post 16 education. Spanish baccalaureate or bachelorate consists of two optional additional final year in the high school. Mandatory education is still and students are 16-year-old required if the student wants to attend the university. Once students have finished baccalaureate, then can take their university entrance exam. Colores de Exo Allah University, popularly called selectives. Selectivity is composed of two parts: the general section, which is mandatory for everyone, and the specific section, which consists of focus topics based on the student academic interest and theoretically optional. La selectivity is scored out of 10 points, and student grade average is third. Is this score is then used to calculate the student's overall grade point average. In fact, 16% of this overall score is composed based on the student's GPA is baccalaureate, and 14% of the score is based on the selective grades.